Yeah, no, makes tons of sense. Speaking of deals that have low leverage, I know you're saying you're basically staying on the sideline. One of the strategies that we're looking at that we really like right now is either buying all cash, smaller multifamily, not your $50 million size deals, buying all cash or basically like 50% down and then playing the waiting game. We're going to hold it for 10 years anyway. Have you given any thought to that strategy of more higher cash, low leverage deals?
Yeah, so I've been in one all cash deal. It was a very unique deal. RV park, purchased in 2018 or 19. I personally thought we're going to have a recession in 2020 based on the inverted yield curve. So it was a total defensive play. We bought the RV park at an 18 cap, all cash, right? So I'm like, okay, it's an 18 cap. If we have a recession and the occupancy goes down, the risk is almost zero of losing the property. And okay, my cash flow will go from 12 to 6, right? Like unlevered, right? So that was a very unique situation that I participated in. Generally speaking, I avoid all cash. And frankly, I avoid anything under 60 to 65% loan to value, because once you get into 50, and I've done it before, but once you get into 50, I just feel like I'm going for the lower risk spectrum of what I'm investing in, right? So adding the leverage does not normally add that much risk if it's not that much in terms of a building that's really stabilized. And so I want to make sure I'm going to at least try to max out the balance of like my return versus the risk and hit that 60, 65, 70, 65 to 70, preferably leverage that still I consider safe. So I feel like I'm getting under rewarded as an investor in the 50s or all cash in exchange for that, except for very unique timing. And I did that deal, the all cash deal, because I really wasn't finding much to invest in. Everything was so overpriced. And that was such a unique deal. And it had the low risk and it was defensive play into a recession. Sorry, that all lined up for a very unique situation for me because of cycle timing specifically.